Okay, students, so here's the deal. In class, you built ramps, as we learned about Newton's second law. Now you have a challenge. Your challenge is to knock down these 4 dominoes using your knowledge of how to build a ramp, but the dominoes have to drop specifically in a way where they are on top of each other. Not that they explode, they can't be all over the place, but that they have to drop in a specific way. So I'm going to show you what I mean. And what you can see is that one is on top of another, top of another. Look, this isn't even perfect. You more want it like that, if you can get it. But I'll take what I can get, as long as they're on top of each other, even if it was like mine was, where they're laying on top of each other after they've hit. They cannot be all over the place. If one comes out, it's no good. You've got to figure it out. So that's your challenge for today's class. Good luck. You have your mission. Go forth, wreak havoc.